Welcome back to the Garcia Blended family. Today we just did a quick little Publix pick-up haul. To just show you, it cost about $150, and basically we're going to show you what we did pick up. Some of this stuff is going to be for dinners and coming up here, and some of it is just for add-ons. So let's do this. All right. So to start off is we do have some, we picked up some sauerkraut. That's going to be put together with some sausages. We're going to have that for a lunch coming up here. We did get 3 Cool Whips. My wife's going to be making a dessert, which I'm going to show you here in a moment once we're completed with this haul. We picked up 2 little small sour creams, Tostitos. We got some party scoops and some Cantina Tostito chips. This we didn't order, but hey, we got it for free. Dry shampoo. Nobody uses that, but we got it. We got a, okay, we used it, I guess. I don't use it. We got Gruyere cheese. My wife ordered some shredded Gruyères. Chopped pecans for dessert. Let's see, we got some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. We're running low on mayonnaise, even though we don't use it too much. We use it in ingredients mixing with food. So she picked up 2 more so that we could have some mayonnaise. Pistachio gelatin or jello. This is going to go into a, I guess, what's it called? Watergate salad? Yeah, Watergate salad. So a Watergate salad, which she's going to show you how she's making it. So that's something that's coming up. That's going to be a little yummy dessert. We went on a Cheerios kick here, guys. My wife wanted to try these with the little boys and everybody, see what they like. And
they were buy one get one free.
Yeah, they were buy one get one. So she said, hey, I'll buy 4 and I'll get 4. So we got an apple cinnamon flavor, very berry, which is different. You got your old school Cheerios, regular flavor. Chocolate Cheerios, really looks good. This one's odd, banana caramel Cheerios. I can't wait to break into that and see what that's like. Cinnamon Cheerios. Frosted Cheerios, which is just sugar on Cheerios. And blueberry Cheerios. So we're going to see what the little boys like. I'm betting they'll probably like them all, but we'll give them a try. Also, we picked up some blue cheese.
This was on special, so that's why we got this. But this is for our traveling. So if we go to like a theme park or the beach, I like to have like little mini ones just in case if they go bad. I don't waste it. So that's why. And I'm making spinach artichoke dip with the 2 fine cheeses.
So there's the answer for that. Yeah. Okay.
And then Father's Day, I'm gonna help you out, Ben.
Thanks.
Father's Day, we're gonna make like a cocktail. So I got 2 of these with my nephews and everybody being coming over. And even though we're making dinner tomorrow, everybody will come over today too and play games. We get together a lot on the weekend. So this is also probably for tonight. I have 2 gallons of milk. Are you paying attention to me or this? 2 gallons of milk. We've been making a lot of smoothies, like protein smoothies. Everybody will drink those with frozen fruit. So we got 2 of those. Tomorrow with steaks, we're doing twice baked potatoes, which they look a little small, but we'll make them work. And then they have some gluten-free, these Cheddar Bay biscuits. They turn out so good. So I wanted to stock up on that. So a couple times when we don't go to Publix for everything, so when we do something like this that I can only get at Publix and not Costco, I'll add it to my cart as I think about it. And then again, if we don't have it, it's not a big deal, but it's something that goes good with like a dinner. And then we got 3 things of puffed marshmallows. Again, that is for the Watergate salad. And then my whole family loves this brand of kimchi. I like it to be strong in flavor, so I find this brand's really good. There's a mild and a spicy. And then these were buy one get one free. I don't drink a lot of caffeine, so when I want a soda, I'll tend to drink the root beer. And then we got 3 of these drinking waters. 4. I'm sorry, 4. So real quick, if you've never made Watergate salad, this is the easiest thing. This is why I bought a recipe. This is why I bought like 4 servings of this. My dad loves it too. So it's 1 pack of this instant pudding mix, right? This pistachio one. And then you do a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the juice, and you just mix it up. And then all you're going to do is, these are chopped pecans. Going to throw some pecans in there. And then 2 cups of we're going to do
favorite part.
Yeah, my hand's about a cup. 2 cups, little fill up. And you're just going to mix this up. I know, it looks weird because it's all green. My dad loves this so much that I will make, this is just 1 serving. I'll make one of these and just send it home with him. This is probably what, the 70s or 80s kind of recipe?
Good.
But I don't know, but we all ate this. Okay, so it'll look like this. And then all you do, and then you're just going to take the Cool Whip. This is kind of... one, these smaller ones, you can have generic or regular. And you're just going to fold this in. And then chill it. And you can put some Cool Whip on top, or I'll show you what if I remember. But you're just going to fold it in. Guys, I know, it looks weird, but when it's nice and cold, it tastes so good. So we're going to do this, top it with some more pecans and Cool Whip on top, and the green lightens up. It's not like this fluorescent green the whole time. You just keep folding.
You're competing with the baby.
I know. You just want to get it really smooth. And the Cool Whip, when you put it back in, it kind of puffs back up again when you re-chill it. So like that. And then we will put it in a container. The Cool Whip will puff back up again. We'll probably have to make... I know, this is too big. I'll make a double recipe in here.
And that's your problem.
Yeah. Well, no, I'll give my daddy.
He's on a diet. It's good stuff.
I know, all my big bowls. You'd think I'd have more.
There you go.
But this, you can put more Cool Whip on it. I know, and the mushrooms like kind of puff up too.
Mushrooms.
Or not mushrooms, oh my gosh.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows. So this, when we open it, will puff all the way back up again when it's cold, because you're lowering the temperature of it. So this is like one of his favorite desserts. It's actually everybody.
Yeah, I've heard anybody complain.
You can put a cherry on top, but we will put this aside and kind of send this home, and this will be like one of his little Father's Day gifts. And that's it. That's a quick, easy dessert. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a happy Father's Day. Okay, so what I forgot is that on the top, see how it turns a pale, it turns a pale green now. And then, ooh, is there more marshmallows? We're just gonna, never have enough marshmallows. Got them all over the floor though. I'm gonna put these all over the top. Ooh, going crazy. They're all falling out. We'll do this. So I had one sister that used to eat this, but she didn't like the nuts. So if you don't like the nuts, you can just omit those inside and out. But she's allergic to nuts now. Probably why she didn't like them. There you go. And you can also top with some maraschino cherries. That's it, guys.